Hi everyone, nice to meet you in my channel. It's a channel about mathematics, mathematical problems, mathematical questions, everything about mathematics and so on. We try to do some questions, some theorems, some rules, and today we're gonna talk about inequalities. Let's say that we will don't start like easy inequalities, we'll start with important inequalities. Inequality is also important and useful in Olympiads or in mathematical contests everywhere where we use mathematics. Today we have many inequality not problems, theorems, which you need to know if you want to become a mathematician or a teacher or be writer of the question in the contest, because it's very important to know these rules. Let's start from our rule. Our first rule, it is I am GM Hashem. You will say, what's that? I am, it means arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. I will write it like this. GM, it is geometric mean. And Hashem, it is harmonic mean. Okay, it is good. It calls like IMGM Hashem inequality, or some people call it Cauchy inequality. But I think saying IMGM Hashem is more like correct than saying Cauchy inequality. Okay. Let's look what this theorem, this inequality tell about itself. It says that any, if you don't understand, it means any a1, a2, a3 an, if it is a real number, and if n is a natural number and n bigger or equal to the 2, then we will get this inequality. It says that a1 plus a2 plus ac plus plus n divided by n. This part is IM, arithmetical mean. You can see that its part is of arithmetical mean. This part is square root of n. Then we have a1 to multiply a2 multiply a3 multiply an. You can understand that this part is a GM, our geometrical mean, and another, it is n divided by 1 divided by a1 plus 1 divided by a2 plus 1 divided by a3 plus 1 divided by an. And this part, it is harmonic mean. And there is also one rule in IMGM Hashem inequalities. This part is the equality point, like equality point. Like it happened. It means like this part I am is equal to GM, and it's also equal to the HM. If you find, you can stop the video and try to do yourself, find the like equality point yourself. But if you tried it, if you don't know how to do this, I'll teach you. I will say it right now. If it will happen, for example, if a1 is equal to a2 is equal to a3 and it is equal to a4, and it will go like that until a equal to an. Let's check it out. Like, for example, let's write everything like a plus a plus a. There will be n a's, then n degree of a multiply n multiply a multiply dot 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 multiply a, and it will be equal to our harmonic mean. It is n multiplied by 1a plus 1 again a plus 1 divided by a, and until 1 again divided by a. If you look, you can find out this will give us a, gm will give also a, and agm will give a, and all of them are equal. It was the equality point. Equality point that say that if it's a1 equal to a2 equal to a3 a equal to a4, and it's equal to everything, then we'll got that am is equal to gm and it's equal to hm. We use this equality point in the many question. I say right now that it is a very important thing to know this method. You say when we'll use AMG, AHM, there's kind of question in Olympiads. For example, it gives some question and say find the minimum value of something. You can find G with GM, or you can find it with AM. That will be very useful for you. Then, okay, then our second rule, it is T2 inequality. We can call it like T2 inequality or Cauchy-Bunyakovsky inequality. They're same inequality. You can use T2 or Cauchy-Bunyakovsky. Both of them are correct. First, let's say that any a's is a real number and any b's if are real numbers, then this will be correct. It says that a squared 1 divided by b1 plus a squared 2 divided by b2 plus dot 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 plus a squared n divided by bn, and it is bigger or equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3, and it will go until a and the summation squared divided by b1 plus b2 plus bn, and it will go on. And this inequality point in this method will be if a is equal to b. You can check it out if it's need to work, if I remember correctly. And the equality point, let's write, is like that. Okay, I think inequality, you need to study inequalities, because if you want to participate in Olympiads, in a mathematical contest, important mathematical contest, you need to use inequalities there. I think there will be any kind of inequality. For example, in Cauchy inequality, we said that they can use minimum maximum questions, or you can use proof questions. There was some proof question. They saying like proof that for example a plus b plus c divided by c3 is bigger than square root of a b c. You will say that it's correct because we all know that it's am and this part is gm, and you'll say that's correct because of am-gm inequality. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Don't forget to follow me, to like the video and comment. Okay, see you next video.